just when you thought it was safe at riding your own side of the road.
This is Mikey who watches the channel.
Yeah. Viva the monkey revolution.
Viva the monkey revolution.
Soon to be a monkey. Definitely.
Soon to be a monkey. No, you got to join us, brother.
Fucking hell. Shit. How's the bike?
It'd be alright in a minute.
Indicators are alright.
Just landed on me, on your leg.
Yeah, when you got your backpack dirty.
Yeah, be right. Oh man.
Well, you did say, you know, it's about adventuring.
Of course it is.
So you've had an adventure today.
I have. So folks, we're going to leave the monkey playground shortly. I've had an off today.
Well folks, this is one from the vaults. After Monkey Cookout 16 at Doffcocker Lodge, we decided to have a ride across to the Monkey Playground. Now Monkey Playground's an absolutely awesome place to have a razz about on your bike. And if you look at the little hill on the left hand side, I tried to get up that after avoiding the water and went through the mud. I didn't get enough speed and I stopped near the top and then I slid back down again and got thrown off the bike. Shabba.
Cheers, brother. I thought you was up near the gate, sorry.
No,
mate.
no, you're alright, it's alright. It's fine.
Look after
I'm
yourself,
going to nip down to our kids' garage in Blackburn. So.
Take care, okay. Look after yourself too.
God bless, brother.
I do, we do get Zimmer frames if you need one at work.
Right, thanks.
I've got all kinds of one.
If I carry on where I'm going, I might need one. You know. We're going to stop at that shop then, yeah?
Yes, you know where it is.
Yeah.
At the road rage into the pool.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Oh, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Once you've been
This is the bend where the pillock overtook one of his mates earlier on in the video and nearly took me off the monkey bike.
Give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
On the way back, we've just stopped here to get some drinks and ice creams. I got a drink.
You got the ice cream?
They got the ice creams. Look at this. What did you have?
Mango, coconut, and raspberry ripple.
Oh, hey. And yourself?
Chocolate, raspberry ripple,
Rum and raisin.
rum and raisin.
And what were it like?
Very good.
Very good. Excellent. And this is Oldens & Co. Ice cream and village store, where they serve the village people.
Yeah.
So, Anthony here has forced me to get an ice cream.
Yeah, I did.
Forced me, yeah. So I've got raspberry ripple and orange sorbet. Look at
Be ready there.
this is round 3. This
Mark's fault.
it's a cookout.
Yeah.
You've brought sandwiches to a cookout.
Yeah,
Then you've had an ice
That's
cream.
what you tried to say.
Now you're having a pasta. Really?
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 Yeah, but it's Mark's fault. 'Cause
That's it.
Mark
It's okay.
said-
On
Mark
that
said
bombshell.
fantastic.
On
Mark
that bombshell.
fantastic. He said it was really good.
So we've had another unplanned stop. We're at the side of the road at Blackburn Road. Billy's had a puncture. Rear puncture. Now, he was trying to get home in time to get his hair cut, but he's had a close shave instead. Beaver.
And that were another close shave for me before enjoying the roads over Belmont to Rivington.
Dime dónde vas y en qué pensás. Tu alma está perdida, ya dejaste de soñar.
All in all, a good, adventurous day.
Cansada de andar, de no poder parar. Tus ojos se ven tristes, ya no sirve ni llorar. El sol volverá y te iluminará. Las nubes se irán y todo cambiará. Dime a dónde vas y en qué pensás. Tu vida destruida se ve imposible reparar. Cuanto más vas a aguantar para poder